Hook 1. What if I told you your cruise could go wrong before you even swipe your boarding card? Yup, these common embarkation day mistakes cost people time, money, and even their sanity. INT or ODICTON. Welcome back, cruisers. Today we're counting down 12 embarkation day mistakes that could actually ruin your vacation before it even begins. If you're cruising for the very first time, or even if you've cruised before, these are things passengers do constantly without realizing the consequences until it's too late. So grab your boarding pass, keep your carry-on ready, and let's start the countdown. 12. Arriving at the port too early. One of the biggest mistakes new cruisers make is showing up at the port way too early because they're excited. I get it, to want to start your vacation fast. But cruise terminals run on scheduled boarding times. If you show up earlier than your boarding window, you'll end up waiting outside for hours, bags in hand, sweating, tired, and stressed. Save yourself the hassle. Arrive 15 to 20 minutes before your assigned check-in time, not 2 hours early like many do. 11. Packing important items in checked luggage. This one ruins entire vacations. People pack medication, passports, chargers, swimsuits, cash, travel documents all inside their checked suitcase. Guess what? You won't see that suitcase until many hours after boarding. Your carry-on should always include medications, travel documents, credit cards, swimsuits, sunscreen, valuable electronics. Basically, if you can't live without it for the first 8 hours, pack it in your carry-on. 10. Not completing online check-in. Cruise check-in is not optional. If you skip it, you won't have your boarding time, your health form, or digital documents ready. People show up at the port without doing this, and suddenly they're stuck, filling forms at the terminal while everyone else is already boarding. Complete it at home, it saves hours later. 9. Forgetting travel documentation. I know, it sounds obvious, but every cruise line deals with daily passengers who forget passports, visas, vaccination requirements, or boarding documents. Some people literally get denied boarding and watch the ship sail without them. The saddest stories ever happen at the cruise terminal. Before leaving home, passport, cruise, booking boarding pass, government ID, port entry requirements. Check 3 times if necessary. 8. Wearing heavy clothes. Embarkation day often means waiting outside, walking through terminals, standing in line, and carrying luggage. People who dress warm end up drenched in sweat, tired, and uncomfortable before vacation even begins. Dress light, shorts, t-shirts, sunglasses. You're going on vacation, look like it. 7. Heading straight to the buffet. Almost every single person rushes straight to the buffet the moment they board. Guess what happens? Total madness, packed seating, long lines, no tables, stress on day 1. Cruise ships usually open multiple dining venues. Main dining room, pool, grill, specialty spots, pizza, casual cafes. Skip the buffet, chaos. Skip the buffet, chaos. You'll thank me later. 6. Not exploring the ship immediately. There are cruisers who board the ship and immediately sit down in one spot. 4 hours. Remember, embarkation day is the only time the ship is empty and peaceful. Explore spa areas, top decks, specialty restaurants, solarium, quiet lounges, shows, food options, elevators, locations. Get the layout before everyone else arrives. 5. Not making reservations. Embarkation day is the best time to secure comedy shows, Broadway shows, specialty dining excursions, spa appointments, kids club registration. These sell out fast, and most passengers don't realize it until day 3 when everything is booked and gone. For not checking your cabin ass up at the moment cabins are ready. Go inside and check everything. Toilet, shower, AC safe, balcony, door, lights, outlets, bedding. If something is broken, do you want it fixed before sail away while the crew has time? 3. Not using your first day like a bonus vacation. New cruisers think embarkation day is just a check-in day. Wrong. It's a full vacation day you already paid for. Use it for pool time, spa, hot tub, ice cream, cocktail on deck, relaxing photo stages. Is vacation started immediately? 2. Not packing swimwear and carry-on. Averian wants to use the pool on day 1. Almost nobody packs swimwear in their carry-on. To attend, you'll enjoy an empty pool while everyone else waits for luggage. 1. Forgetting to put your phone on airplane mode. This mistake can ruin your cruise with thousands of dollars in roaming charges. When the ship leaves port, your cell network switches to maritime roaming, and yes, it's insanely expensive. Put your phone on airplane mode as soon as you board. OUTRO. So there you go. 12 embarkation day mistakes that can absolutely ruin your cruise before it even starts. The good news, now you know exactly what to avoid, and exactly how to start your vacation the smart way. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more cruise-proof tips, and comment which mistake you think is the most common. Enjoy your cruise, and I'll see you in the next video.